Hey developers, are you still manually updating changelogs? Wasting hours reconciling commit history with version tags? Meet the Building Changelog Page skill. It parses Git commit metadata, auto-generates semantic version entries, and syncs with your CI/CD pipelines using webhooks. It supports customizable handlebars templates, integrates with GitHub Actions and GitLab CI, and even validates conventional commit messages. Whether you're a full stack dev juggling React and Node, a DevOps engineer managing Kubernetes clusters, or a solo hacker shipping Python scripts, this tool turns chaos into clarity. Now, if only it could write your release notes and make coffee. Here's what's inside the Building Changelog Page skill. First, automated commit history parsing that extracts Jira tickets and PR numbers from Git logs. Second, a customizable template engine supporting Markdown, HTML, or JSON formats. Third, version tag synchronization that auto-creates GitHub releases. Fourth, CI/CD integration with Dockerized GitHub Actions runners. Fifth, semantic versioning enforcement that blocks invalid tag commits. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform messy Git history into beautiful changelogs with zero manual work. Installing the Building Changelog Page skill takes one command. Run npx quanta-skills add Building Changelog Page. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance and code templates pre-configured for conventional commits. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows Git hooks, semantic versioning, and how to format conventional commits. Just don't ask it to alphabetize your coffee preferences, too. Start automating changelogs today. Your future self will thank you when releases actually ship on time.